Hey crypto fans! Want your idle crypto to earn daily compound interest? Let's explore CoinEx Flexible Savings, a super easy way to grow your assets while keeping full control. Head to coinex.com or open your CoinEx mobile app. Sign in to your CoinEx account. If you don't have one, it's quick to create. Once logged in, head over to the Flexible Savings page. Here, you'll see all your favorite coins ready to grow. Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and more. Each coin shows the amount and its current APY. To start, just click subscribe, enter the amount, and confirm. Interest starts accruing from the next full hour, and daily earnings are automatically added to your principal, so your crypto grows faster with compound interest. Need your funds? No problem. Redeem anytime, and they'll be instantly credited to your spot account, ready for trading or withdrawal. And that's it! With CoinEx Flexible Savings, your crypto works for you every single day. Safe, flexible, and easy to use. Go try it now.